Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming prerequisites. You need an active Shopify store and a verified YouTube channel with at least one upload. Enable two-step verification on your Google account and grant merchant access for Google Merchant Center. Allow 15 to 30 minutes to complete account checks and permissions the first time because Google will verify ownership and business details. Make sure your store currency, tax settings, and shipping profiles are configured in Shopify so products pass Google's commerce policy checks before attempting the channel connection. Open the Shopify App Store and install the official Shopify YouTube channel app or the YouTube shopping integration in your admin. Sign into the Google account that manages YouTube and authorize both Google Merchant Center and YouTube channel permissions when prompted. In Shopify, select which product collections to sync, map GTIN or SKU values, and configure tax and shipping overrides before pushing the feed. After you push, review the product diagnostics in Google Merchant Center and resolve any disapproved items so they will appear in YouTube product shelves. After setup, allow 4 to 24 hours for initial product syncing and indexation. Then check Google Merchant Center diagnostics for feed errors and policy disapprovals. Most issues are fixed by SKU or GTIN mapping, correct image sizes, and accurate pricing. Update listings in Shopify and resubmit the feed. If listings fail repeatedly, revoke and reauthorize permissions or contact Shopify support. Monitor click-through and conversion metrics in Shopify and YouTube Studio daily to adjust titles, thumbnails, and featured collections for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.